Facing the dreaded joystick drift on your ROG Ally, GPD Win 3, Win 4, or even your Pico VR controllers. It's a common problem, and this replacement 3D analog stick aims to be the solution. This isn't just about fixing a broken stick. It's about restoring precise control and immersive gameplay. The compatibility is a major selling point. It covers a wide range of devices from the ROG Ally RC71L console to the GPD Win 3 and Win 4 handhelds, and even the Pico 2 and Pico 3 VR controllers. This versatility makes it a potentially valuable part for many gamers. Installation is key. While it's designed as a replacement, you'll need to be comfortable opening up your device. If you're not experienced with electronics repair, it's best to seek professional help to avoid damaging your console or VR headset. There are plenty of online tutorials that can guide you through the process, but proceed with caution. Once installed, the difference should be noticeable. The new analog stick should eliminate the drift, providing smooth and accurate movement in your games and VR experiences. Responsiveness is crucial, and this replacement part should restore that original, precise feel. Durability is another important factor. A replacement part should last, and while long-term testing is needed to fully assess its lifespan, the initial impressions are positive. The stick feels solid and well-built, suggesting it can withstand regular use. Overall, this replacement 3D analog stick offers a promising solution for joystick drift issues across multiple platforms. Its broad compatibility is a definite plus, and the potential for improved control and responsiveness is significant. Just remember to approach the installation with care, and you could be back to gaming without the frustration of unwanted movement.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.